As the world of Web3 continues to take shape, non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, are playing a critical role in the mainstream adoption of cryptocurrency and helping shape the future of decentralization, ownership, finance, and more. NFTs have a permanent, public history on the blockchain. NFTs live on a variety of blockchains, which are open digital ledgers that are accessible to all. As a result, it's incredibly easy to understand the history of a particular NFT using a blockchain explorer such as Etherscan. When was it minted? Who was involved in the last sale? Ultimately, the transparency of the blockchain can help reduce fraud and theft given that everything can be viewed in the public square. Would you be able to tell if a version of the Mona Lisa was fake? How could you prove you were the legitimate owner of a rare baseball card or Beanie Baby, for example? With NFTs living on public blockchains, there is an open and transparent process in which to determine who is the owner of what. NFTs have multiple novel use cases. Beyond just art and profile pictures, NFTs have the ability to provide additional value to holders, with many creators pushing the boundaries of what's possible in a short period of time. From collectibles, to being eligible for future airdrops, to even getting access to real-world venues, NFTs allow creators and collectors to engage and interact in ways that weren't necessarily possible before. NFTs benefit the creator. In addition to providing utility to the holders, NFTs also present a unique opportunity for creators to thrive as well. Using NFT marketplaces such as OpenSea and likes of smart contracts, creators are able to earn royalties on their work based on each time an NFT sells, generating consistent revenue and income for creators in perpetuity. Developers of popular NFT projects also stand to benefit long-term as opposed to looking to make a quick buck. The direct access to fans who feel bought into the success of a project gives creators the ability to receive feedback from supporters. Artists, photographers, and creators who may not have had the opportunity to showcase their work at a global scale have been thrust into the spotlight largely as the results of the NFT community. Though some believe NFTs to be nothing more than JPEGs, the reality is that innovation within the NFT ecosystem goes far beyond art or even collectibles. Appealing to our innate desire for social status and longing for community, NFTs are the building blocks of a new way to interact both online and in the physical world. I am Ahar, subscribe.